Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back with another break. Stopped at Walmart this morning, had to do a little bit of shopping. And of course, went to the card section and picked up a hanger box of 2015 Topps Series 1 Baseball. Real quick, I am running a 4-box case break, group break for 2014 Topps Tribute Baseball. I'll have a link to my Facebook page where you guys can check out the details and possibly join. There are, I believe, 7 spots left. So go ahead and get in on that. That is open to U.S. residents only due to international shipping being a pain and so expensive. But yeah, on to the break. Actually, real quick, I'll let you guys look at these odds. Real quick, the name of the group is Dave's Sports Cards Collectors Hangout. Go ahead and type that in the search bar on Facebook. Should bring me up. But, yeah. 2015 Topps Series 1 Baseball Hanger Box. There are 72 cards in the hanger boxes. Alright, here we go. Just a brick of cards. Retail has the exclusive Babe Ruth Story cards. It's not found in Hobby. As well as the first home run inserts. I believe those are retail only as well. We got a big old brick of cards here. First up, Rusney Castillo, rookie card. This will focus. Is that focused? There we go. Matt Dominguez, Tommy Medica, Bryce Brent's rookie, Eric Young Jr., Adrian Beltre, Bud Norris, Brian Dunsing. I think you can get short prints in retail. Image variations and sparkles. Alex Cobb, Felix Hernandez, Chris Sale, and Corey Kluber. Madison Bumgarner, World Series card. Josh Donaldson, Yoenis Cespedes. You should be in a Tigers uniform, not a Red Sox. Jose Bautista, Steve Piercy, Paul Konerko. No, I guess it's not short print. The way you can tell is by the code. This code right here. Short prints end in a different number. Charlie Furbush, Jose Iglesias, Tyler Colvin. Nice. A foil, rainbow foil. Andre Ethier. These are not numbered. Ricky Henderson, Archetypes insert. Lou Gehrig, Babe Ruth Story. Robbed and left, Josh Hamilton, one of the Collier shot cards. Alex Rodriguez, free agent card. Inspired play, Joe Mauer, Rod Carew, insert. Yimi Garcia, rookie card. Jordan Lyles, Carlos Ruiz, Trevor May, Brian McCann, Doug Fister, Brian Schlitter, Michael Pineda, Didi Gregorius, Miguel Gonzalez. Wonder when Didi will have the Yankees card. Eduardo Escobar, Jake Odorizzi, Matt Garza, Edwin Encarnacion, Carlos Beltran, Danny Espinosa, Troy Tulowitzki, Cliff Lee, Jock Peterson, rookie. Dexter Fowler, Brian Morris, Gary Brown, rookie. Padres, Derek Jeter. The captain plays his final game at Yankee Stadium. Clayton Kershaw, Sterling Castro, Jackie Bradley Jr., Shane Green, Kevin Kiermaier, No, never heard of him. R.A. Dickey, Marcus Stroman. I think he's going to be a stud. David Peralta, Willem Rosario, Marlon Byrd, Joe Nathan, Buck Farmer, rookie. Jesus Guzman, Brandon Crumpton, Gilder Rodriguez, rookie. Alcides Escobar, Rene Rivera, Kyle Lobstein, rookie. Gordon Beckham, and the 2 first home run cards, Buster Posey and Javier Baez. Now there are different color variations, and it depends. I think there's 3 actually, 2 or 3 variations. I think all the ones you get in the hanger boxes are gold. I think there's a different color for the blaster boxes, as well as a different color for the rack packs. So some different variations on that. Nothing major. It is a hanger box, so the hits are pretty hard to get. But I got some rookies, a foil, a bunch of inserts. I do got to go through this and look for any short prints. And the Call Your Shot game, which done a few of these and haven't won, so maybe I'll win. But yeah, 2015 Topps Series 1 hanger box. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the break, and check out my Facebook page for the Tribute Group Break.